One of the main features developing is a potential descending triangle bearish continuation. To build upon this, we can place a Fibonacci time zone here, followed by a Fibonacci channel based on the triangle's descending trend line. Next, a Fibonacci spiral pointing up from the previous upswing. Together, these provide a rough guide of how price could continue down following a successful completion of the descending triangle that would aim down towards the 140s sometime during the time zone interval from 3 to 5. And in the event the downtrend fails to proceed lower, there's no major shift in sentiment until price can clear back over 200. Boeing was in a similar position last month, where, as expected, price continued to drift lower through the 170s following the completion of the descending triangle. And this is the path price could take if the drop continues, especially if the broader market maintains a bearish stance. And even if there could be at least a minor bullish retracement, price would struggle to get over the 180s, let alone the trend line and base of the descending triangle, which marks a major long-term resistance area, extending from 189 to the low 200s.